Hey everyone, Andrew here with Wiseline Tools. Today we're going to compare the DeWalt DCF845 and the DCF860 impact drivers. I've got two fully charged 5 amp hour batteries and a couple of 8-inch timber screws. Let's see which impact can drive in and remove these screws the best.
The DCF845 comes in at about 1,825 inch-pounds of torque, whereas the DCF860 comes in roughly at about 2,000 inch-pounds. The DCF860 was able to drive in the 8-inch timber screw all the way and remove it again in 12.5 seconds, whereas the DCF845 stalled out at about 5 inches in. DCF845 ranges anywhere between 0 to 3,400 RPM, and the DCF860 anywhere between 0 and 3,800 RPM. Impacts per minute, the DCF845 puts out about 4,200, and the DCF860 puts out about 4,500.
There you have it. Is the performance increase of the DCF860 significant enough to warrant an upgrade? Or is the DCF845 all the impact you really need? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Both impacts are available at Wiseline Tools or at wiselinetools.ca. Until next time, have a good one.